Installation on duct. Ensure insulation surfaces are clean, dry, and free of dust, grease, and moisture. Apply one piece of Alumaguard Lite to the bottom of the duct, extending 6 inches up each side. Alumaguard can be installed in separate pieces. Side pieces should lap 6 inches onto the top, followed by a flush-cut top piece. Alternatively, wrap Alumaguard in one piece, up one side, over the top, and down the other side. Use a laminate roller to ensure full adhesion. Installation on pipe. Maintain 6-inch circumferential and 3-inch longitudinal overlaps, or use a full wrap cigarette method. Use a laminate roller to bond Alumaguard securely. Align overlaps at the 4 o'clock position for water shedding. For pipes over 12-inch OD, use banding. Seal fittings, e.g. 90% tees, with properly lapped and rolled Alumaguard or gourd fittings. General guidelines: protect Alumaguard from petroleum, coal tar, or harsh chemicals. For temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, use Alumaguard Lite on the underside, no pinning required. For cold climates, below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, use Alumaguard All-Weather or Alumaguard Lite with acrylic adhesive. Avoid solvent activators. Insulation must shed water and be mechanically fastened to a sealed duct surface.